Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed. In today's video, we will be talking about why your Sunbeam blanket is flashing and how to fix it. Let's get started. Reasons why your Sunbeam electric blanket is flashing. The wires are faulty. Faulty wires between the control module and the Sunbeam may cause Sunbeam flashes. The wires carry signals between the blanket and the module to enable the execution of blanket functions. If the wires are faulty, they won't sufficiently pass signals, and therefore, the blanket flashes. The control module is faulty. The control module is the brain of the blanket. When the control module is faulty, the blanket cannot execute most of its functions as there will be no signals on what to do. Due to the effects of depreciation, the control module may become more vulnerable to failure as time goes by. The blanket heating elements are damaged. The blanket heating elements, such as carbon fiber, generate heat in the blanket. Over time, through depreciation, the heating elements can become damaged. The most common damage is when they burn out. What do you do when your Sunbeam electric blanket flashes? Replace or repair the wires. With the help of qualified personnel, turn off your Sunbeam electric blanket and disconnect it from a power source. Examine the wires and the connectors that connect the control module and the blanket. If the wires or the connectors are loose, resecure them. Otherwise, if the wires are damaged, purchase new ones and replace the old ones. Remember, corrosion is part of indications that shows wires are damaged. Repair or replace the control module. With the help of qualified personnel, access the Sunbeam electric blanket control module. Turn it off and disconnect it from the power source. Next, examine for the presence of physical damage on the module. If you find the module to be damaged, you can repair it or replace it with a new one. The qualified technicians will advise on which best action to take between repairing and replacing the control module. Examine and replace the heating elements. With the help of qualified personnel, access the blanket heating elements. The heating elements include carbon fiber, which is responsible for disseminating heat to the blanket. Check for visible damage. It includes looking for the presence of burn marks. Suppose the heating elements are damaged, replace with new ones. Thanks for watching.